hindi to may 3-bet ng light to. I mean, may ng baraha. Okay. May isang overcard dito si Miko, pero parang ang dami na nagtapon ng alas. I wouldn't be surprised kung one outer na lang tong alas ni Miko dito. And he is in danger of busting out this tournament. There's the 4. 2 outer pa pala. 2 outs pa yung alas. Turn is a jack. Still no help. He needs... Wala na palang aasahan na 4 kasi dalawa na yung nagtapon ng 4. So dalawang alas na lang and it will not come. And Alex Lai, si Miko will get 17,000 in cash prize plus a main event